Hello, today we will see debug mode inspector in Unity 3D. So here is our script. Sometimes in good coding practice we need to keep our variable private, but in runtime mode we need to check what value the variable is holding. In that moment we will go to in our Unity. You see the three dot here, click here. Currently it's in normal mode. We will go to debug mode. If we'll go to debug mode, you see our script, debug script, all our variables are seeing here which value they are holding integer, holding float, string, and change value. If we run this, we can see the changes. See, the change value is changing and it's keeping the value here. And one interesting thing, we can make as many tab as we want. Like this is our debug mode inspector. If we want to keep it simple and create another inspector which is normal, we can create like this, and you can keep it anywhere you want. This is our debug mode inspector and this is our normal inspector. It's useful when you are debugging your code. Thanks for watching.